Hello again, students. Let's do the Eating Grubs Dasher. Calculate the overall star rating for this food delivery person based on their last 500 deliveries. So this is the ratings that you would get if you were a delivery person or basically any type of service nowadays. There's like a 5-star rating system. So how do you find like the overall rating? Well, what you do is you take, in this case, 500, the last 500 ratings, and how do you average these? If you scored a 1-star 14 times, a 2-star 23, a 3-star 25, a 4-star 27, and then, ooh, must be pretty good. You scored a 5-star rating 411 times. That's pretty good. How do you do this when there's all of these data points? Well, here's what you do. You take basically the star value times the number. So you take the star value, we'll just call it, I guess we'll just call it S, the star value times the number of times that got rated that way. So a 1-star rating 14 times, I'm going to kind of do this backwards, so sorry. A 1-star rating 14 times is only going to get you 14 points. Okay. A 2-star rating 23 times is going to give you a score of 46 points. And you're like, that's a lot of points. Yeah, hold on, we're not there yet. A 3-star rating 25 times is going to get you 75 points. A 4-star rating 27 times is going to give you 108 points. I have these pre-calculated on the side, so don't like, oh, you're really good. No, I'm not that good. I saved it. 5-star rating 411 times is going to be 2,055 points. Okay, so what you do is you add up all of these points. So it's kind of like tests. We've done a whole bunch of test averaging. You would divide by the number of tests. Well, in this case, you are going to be divided by 500 ratings. Okay, so you got to figure out the total number of points and then divide by the number of ratings. So that's how you get the total points. Is you multiply. You multiply the number of ratings times the star rating. So here's all the points. Add them all up. It's going to be 2,298 total points. Now, how do you get the rating? Well, you got to take the total points of 2,298 and then divide by those 500 ratings. Okay, so you take the total points for each star rating, add them all up, and then divide by 500. When you do that, let's see what this driver's rating is. Oops, I don't have my calculator on, so sorry. 2,298 divided by 500. Where am I supposed to round? It says overall rating rounded to the nearest thousandth. Okay, cool. I get 4.596. Ooh, almost a 4.6 rating. So close. Just needed a few more points. So maybe if they keep doing a good job, maybe get some of these 1-star reviews to go away. I think, like, you got to give people at least 1 star, right? There's not even a 0-star option. That would be really bad, right? I think you got to give somebody at least a 1-star. I mean, they're bringing you food, man. Give them a break. So, unless they eat some of the food or steal it, then yeah, maybe you give them a 1-star. But oh well, that's the gamble with food delivery services. Anyway, what do we got? I think that's it. Yeah, we're done. That's it. So just round to the nearest thousandth. Total points divided by 500 ratings, and there you go. That's how you do a 5-star rating system. You got to find the total points, divide by the number of ratings, and you'll get it. All right, that's the Eating Grubs Dasher. See you in class.